Gold is valuable. It's rare, acclaimed and admired. It's the ultimate prize. The most desired and prestigious award. The representation of a lifetime achievement. But how did gold get to hold this acclaimed status?
There are two basic views in the ancient world of how gold comes to be here. One is that it arrived from somewhere else, tears of the sun, for example. The other is that gold actually grew within the earth, and therefore gold is being formed as other things turn into gold very slowly. Gold appears in tombs because it opens a portal to the other world, because of the nature of gold. It doesn't seem to belong here on this earth, because gold alone is an immortal substance. Gold becomes important to ancient cultures at the point where ancient cultures develop hierarchy, and gold is used to mark or is associated with the man at the top of the hierarchy, the semi-divine leader of this society. The connection between gold and the supernatural, the divine, what's on the other side of everything, is the same in Central America, in Egypt, in Mesopotamia, in cultures which had no connection with each other whatever, in time and space. In the Mahabharata, gifts of gold are what is appropriate to the gods. Gold is what expresses them, which of course feeds through into the rest of Hindu culture. The first gold medal is made by Alexander to give to the high priest of Jerusalem because of the military services that Jerusalem provided to Alexander.
Gold has very unique properties. When you take it out of the ground, it looks as if it's already been worked on and polished and cared for, like the earth is yielding this beautiful thing like a gift. It clearly has an intrinsic monetary value, which we all understand. But there's something more poetic about gold, something that humanity holds. It's a noble metal in component and its emotional value as well. Every religion has elevated it. All the religious iconography is encased in gold and forged in gold. It's one of the only metals that cannot be corrupted, it cannot be corroded. Its electrons move a lot slower, which means it can absorb light. I mean, in a sense, that's almost like being a living being in itself.
What happens at the end of the Middle Ages, the beginning of the Renaissance, is that gold is being used to stimulate intellectual achievement. The first of these, in 1567, the King of Spain offers a big reward for solution to the problem of finding longitude. Gold is still being used as a reward for intellectual achievement in the 20th century. There are lots of societies that give out gold medals for achievement. The question you have to ask is, why do they need to be gold?
The prestige did start with royalties, even though in modern times it is now associated and worn by everyday people. Gold is eternal, just like lifetime achievement, so it makes sense to associate it with successes and excellence.
People aspire to win gold because it's their childhood dream. It's where you want to be the best. It's the pinnacle. It's a very surreal moment to put that gold medal around my neck, to stand there with the national anthem playing. It's about what went into the medal. It's not necessarily the specifics of the medal. It's the grind that got me there, and all those stories. And that's history. That's what the gold shows.